private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated, but that only makes it better, and it's got me so.
स्वागत छ मेरो च्यानलमा। आज चाहिँ मैले यो क्लास डी एम्प्लिफायर TP3116 D2 लिएर आएको छु। यसको मोडललाई मेरो हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, यहाँ गोल्ड AP55 हो। आज म तपाईहरुलाई यसको साउन्ड टेस्ट गराएर सुनाउने छु। यो स्पिकरको वायरहरु चाहिँ कनेक्टरले कनेक्सन गरेको। यसको यो ब्याक साइड हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, बोर्ड राम्रो छ। यो चाहिँ 50+50 वाट आउटपुटमा हो, स्टेरियोमा छ। र यसको फ्रन्ट प्यानलमा चाहिँ त्यस्तो भोल्युम अप डाउन कनेक्टर केही पनि छैन है, सबै रिमोटदेखि नै कन्ट्रोलिङ गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। बोर्ड सानो भइकन पनि पावरफुल नै छ यो। यसको फुल भोल्युम चाहिँ 16 सम्म आउटपुट गर्छ, 16 सम्म आउटपुट गर्छ। र अन गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ ब्लुटुथ मोड यो चाहिँ अलिकति राम्रो लागेन यसको। र रिमोट हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, राम्रो छ रिमोट पनि अरूभन्दा एक्स्ट्रा राम्रो छ बोर्ड। अब साउन्ड टेस्ट गरौँ।
Bluetooth mode. Connected.
Can you try to understand how a touch can cause explosions? Hands up, I'm too great to be landed. Hands up, I'm too great to be standing.
Choppers, better kill those rats, go run in my face, we fire starters. Wanna never get you, marine show shots. Always get a feeling that I won't see now, not work, never the cost. Look at my eyes, I'm on the rocks,
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, those whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated, but that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to around, I'm never hesitating, but she's got me captivated, so the game.
I fell and lost to the war, shut me down. I was lost and said to the voices in my head.